Is Magdalena, Colombia, where we learn how farmers are protecting the world's favorite banana from a lethal fungus. You probably know the Cavendish banana.
You can find this type of banana in every supermarket around the world.
They're so popular because they're yummy, they look nice, and they ripen as they transport.
It's high yielding, so it's got quite a thick skin, and so travels well and tastes pretty good. Comes in its own package.
But there's a problem.
They are sterile, they don't have seeds.
No seeds means Cavendish bananas are clones of each other. So the only way to propagate them is in vitro, or by taking new growths called suckers from the base of an older plant. But since they're all genetic copies, Cavendish are really vulnerable to disease.
The domino effect, if you have everything wrong with just one clone, one disease can kill everything, plant by plant.
That's exactly what's happening with TR4, one of the deadliest plant diseases out there. The fungus doesn't spread to humans, but it does eventually kill the banana plant, so no more fruit grows. Scientists guess the fungus probably started somewhere in Southeast Asia in the 90s and quickly spread across the globe. Then in 2019, it hit Latin America. Combined with the Caribbean, that area grows 75% of the world's bananas.
Primero una reacción de mucho de impacto porque el fusario no estaba ni cerca en el continente y de repente aparece en nuestro departamento, en el departamento de La Guajira, en uno de los departamentos más importantes de producción bananera.
To make sure the fungus doesn't spread, farms across Colombia have implemented biosecurity measures. Eva Norte 2 was one of the first farms in the country to detect TR4. Workers wash down and disinfect the underside of any car that comes in, just in case there's infected soil hiding in the treads.
Entonces cualquier parte de nuestro indumentaria que entre en contacto con suelo puede convertirse en un factor de dispersión. Los zapatos los ubica en esta zona, se gira, se pone el overol y se colocan las botas de caucho con que van a ingresar al predio. El calzado es único, esto se considera zona sucia y esto es zona limpia. Zona limpia porque es la que está bajo el control de la desinfección que está de la salida hacia la finca.
Antonio's team built cement paths throughout the farm. So on their way to harvest, workers aren't walking on open soil.
Y hemos visto drásticamente cómo se reduce la cantidad de suelo que se adhiera a las botas.
Once they've reached the area ready to be harvested, workers walk through a sanitizing footbath made of ammonium.
En promedio aquí en La Guajira un pediluvio cubre entre 35 a 40 hectáreas. Donde hay focos, en esas zonas colocamos pediluvios adicionales para cubrir la entrada y la salida de esas áreas de foco.
Out in the field, workers measure the banana fingers to make sure they're ready to harvest. They're usually ready about 12 to 13 weeks after the fruit stem shows up. One worker cuts down a 65-pound bundle, while the other catches it and carries it to the cableway. That cableway system brings all those banana bunches to the packaging plant. First, workers sanitize the bunches with chlorine.
Con el fin de retirar cualquier insecto que pueda venir del campo dentro de la fruta, como en el caso de arañas.
Then they check the bananas for quality and any signs of fusarium damage. They cut off and throw bushels into a huge tank. That bath not only preserves the bananas, but washes off any of the latex that naturally occurs on the peel. The bananas get cut into smaller bunches of 5 to 7.
Posterior a eso viene la parte de sellado, cubierta de coronas para el tema de protección para el viaje.
Next come those famous stickers.
Pasa a la etapa de pesado de la bandeja y por último está el área de empaque.
Workers wrap the banana carefully so they don't bruise. That wrapping has holes in it so the bananas can ripen as they travel. No more than 4 hours after the bananas are harvested, those boxes end up on pallets, loaded onto trucks.
En este caso, para el día de hoy tenemos 960 cajas de bandeja 3 libras y 960 cajas de Walmart.
The bananas are trucked to the nearby port, where they're moved onto ships. This shipment's headed to the U.S.